This is a video of BanjoKazooie Nuts and Bolts demo. I figured out that if you totally trash your vehicle, and you have a spring on the bottom of your seat, and you're just sitting in your seat, you're gonna go for a ride. Now that's how you play ball.